Hindi ata dahil sa inyo, hindi naman magiging updated ang sambayan ng Pilipinas. Yes, so maraming salamat again to Miss Max, to the whole Empire and Miss Universe Philippines team, and of course, sa lahat ng media partners natin na nandito ngayon. This is all for you. This is our Thanksgiving for you kasi honestly, I couldn't be more thankful. I want to say how grateful I am for everyone, pero medyo siguro naglilelo ng konti yung energy because I've been up since morning kanina. I had an event in the morning, in the afternoon meron tayong walk parade, so this is my last event for everyone for dinner. I'm gonna try as much as I can to make it as fast, pero I want to say happy holidays to everyone. Mag-celebrate tayo ng Pasko ng masaya, nang meron tayong honor ng victory at sasalubong tayo ng bagong taon ng panalo at wagi. At magkakaroon tayo ng new Miss Universe 2025. Sana lahat tayo magsusuporta sa mga bagong candidates, sa mga media partners, to Miss Universe Philippines, and again, to wherever I will be taken as Miss Universe Asia. Lahat sana kayo patuloy pa din na sumuporta sa akin. Again, maraming salamat and happy holidays everybody!
Thank you very much. And make it once again for Chelsea. And of course, from Mags PH, we have a bouquet of flowers, and of course, our gift for Chelsea.
Birch tree.
Yeah.
Mabigat yung birch tree.
Chelsea, hawakan mo yan.
Bakit siya? Ganyan na lang yan.
This portion is
Picture. Let's have a photo particularly with Chelsea and of course Miss Max. Sir Paul there.
Sir Paul,
Sir Paul, please join us here.
Ito na ang next
And Mama Ru.
thank you po. Amaru.
Here. Look here. 3, 2, 1. Smiling. Right, one more. 3, 2, 1. Smiling. Okay.
Left po, to your left.
Ayan na, maganda na si Chelsea sa black talaga ha. Ako yun, hindi siya ha.
Left po.
Iba pala. Iba rin.
Here po. Here po, left.
Alright, thank you very much. Of course, the Philippines still celebrating the victory of our very own Chelsea Manalo. Oh wow, they gift din sa Sir Paul there. Yeah, thank you. Well, sobrang love na love talaga si Chelsea, of course. Not just by the organization, but of course, the whole Philippines.
Parang hindi naman na-meet kasi si Sir B, nung sinabi niya ng press con, magkasama kasi kami nung nasa US ako. So I just wanna say thank you again to Sir B then for being just like my second mom. No, kasi he took care of me when I was in LA. It was funny kasi even when I was in the US, he was still grabbing makeup for me, shoes for me, clothes for me. Even if I had enough sponsors and team naman behind my back, he was still there. Kaya kung ano man to, thank you again Sir B.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh!
Ano yan?
Open! Is this collection? Oh, is this collection Barbie?
Wow!
The Barbie holiday! Thank you po, Sir B. Thank you.
100,000 yan.
Thank you very much, Sir Buter. Ayan. Very nice. It's so thoughtful of you, Sir Buter.
One more. May collection na ako ng mga Barbie.
To your left po.
Okay, once again, photo up with the MPPH or please, Sir Borge, please join us. Yeah, the head of our production team, Sir Borge.
Happy birthday to you!
Masaya ang birthday.
Interview niya si Borge at ginawa sa everyone.
Smile!
Ang tagal naman ng birthday.
Okay po, media.
Borge, ano press? Your left po. Hi, girl. Hello po. Hello po. Here po, left.
Thank you very much.
Magpuputuan na tayo with the whole media team. And then,
Dalawa muna kay Mix Max.
Chelsea, pwede kayo. Ayan.
Ay, sorry.
Sa gitna lang, Max. Sa gitna lang.
Dito.
Ayan. Ready?
Magnanay.
Perfect. One more.
O, dikit lang.
Closer. Dito smile. Ayan. Max, ganun.
Smile.
Max Gunner.
Alright, thank you. Yes, we will be having photo opportunity with you naman, guys. So please join us here in front.
Chelsea mo muna. Papayag pa kayo.
Si Chelsea na lang. Diyan na lang kayo si Chelsea dito.
Miss Marjorie Rosas is with us tonight. Alright. Smile.
Yung mga nasa balcony, baba po kayo.
Okay, ready na. Medyo retouch siya. Dito na ulit. Yan. Alright, official.
Yung flash lang po. Excuse me lang po. Alright, okay. 3, 2, 1, smile.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Alright, our media friends. Sige, ako mag-picture sa inyo. Dito na. Ano to? Mag-iumihan na. Okay, guys.
Hindi kami nakita. Ganyan. Yan, perfect.
Ano naman ba't ka naman tumapos?
Kay Tito Noli.
Mag-cherry fire naman tayo.
Ah,
1, 2.
okay, from Tito Noli naman.
Okay.
0.5 to guys,
Okay, everyone, look here. Smiling, big smiles. In 3, 2, 1. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy our kill.
Okay.
Later, photo sa media. Solo. At dahil dyan, thank you for media. Solo. Smile. Ano na karanta si Chelsea?
Photo.
Alright guys, so at this point, we would like to request everyone to please go back to your respective seats first. While me and Chelsea will stay here right in front because Chelsea is going to announce something to you guys. Sige, balik muna tayo sa mga upuan natin. Come on guys! Yan, baka hindi niyo upuan yan, magsisisi kayo. Believe me, go back to your seats. Yes, kung ako yan, I'll go back to my chair dun sa table.